this is a lovely little seagull that's got a giant starfish in his mouth. The starfish is not excited about it. In fact, it's not thinking, it's lucky stars. The starfish, I know. It's a dad joke. Look at you, it's right in there, isn't it?
Come on, get out of the way, he's walking by.
Okay, I'm going to move out the way, so if you want to walk by, you can. You big old thing.
I think that eyes are bigger than her stomach.
Oh yeah, I think he's going to have to let that go. Yeah. I think he's embarrassed. He's eating with his mouth, talking with his mouth full. There's no way, pal. There's no way. Your friends are going to come. You better get busy. The crows are waiting. Right? It's not going to work. I'm doing the math for you, and I'm thinking that's not going to work.
I might just take it away and throw it in the water.
Yeah. I don't even think he can fly with that. All right, I'm going to let you go. I can't do any more.